Hey guys, it's Kurt. One of my cousin, you might remember her from the cringy Minecraft video. She's my cousin, Ashley. And she told me there was a bully here.
Let's expose him.
His name is Cyrus, please. Cyrus, please. Let me be a person. Why? Why you do this, Ashley? Ash, why do you do this? What? Okay, there's mine. It's A-H.
Adam.
I'm better than him, so I'm gonna say you have been exposed. You have been exposed, bully. Why you saying noob? Wait. Fudge, Cyrus. Please stop. I'm gonna intimidate him by saying I'm a Why a bully? Why a bully? You have been exposed, bully. You have been exposed. Ash. I'm gonna say something to Ash. Ash, tell him that he has been exposed. You're on my channel. You're on my channel. Watch out for AHM. This guy is a bully. If you ever see this guy playing and he bullies someone, tell me. I will find him. I will find him and expose. I already exposed him. Okay. He's saying people are noobs. That's it, haha. Noob in Roblox. You pro. That's it, haha. Wait a minute. Yasu? Yasu is also one. Oh yeah, look also for Yasu. Yasu is one, too. Yasu is one. Yasu is bully. So are you. So are you, AHM. Look at this. These are two bullies fighting each other. They both got exposed. If you ever find one of these, comment down in my videos. I will tell me your username in my video in the comments down below. Like and subscribe, and goodbye.